If you want to connect Mailchimp to Pipedrive CRM, this video will walk you through the whole process step by step so you can sync your contacts, streamline your marketing, and manage everything from one place. This is a simple setup, but it's important to follow each step carefully so the connection works properly. And if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more software guides just like this. Let's jump in. First, open Pipedrive CRM in your browser and sign in to your account. Once you're inside your Pipedrive dashboard, look at the top right corner of the screen and click the Marketplace icon. This is where Pipedrive keeps its app integrations, tools, and add-ons. After that, click Browse Marketplace. This will open the full Marketplace catalog where you can search for different apps and integrations. In the search bar, type Mailchimp. As soon as the results appear, select the Mailchimp integration from the list to open its details page. Now take a moment to review the integration carefully. On this page, you'll usually see important information like the features the integration offers, the supported sync options, and the permissions that will be required. This part matters because it helps you understand exactly what data may be shared between Mailchimp and Pipedrive, so you know what to expect before connecting the accounts. When you're ready, click Authorize. Pipedrive will now begin the connection process and ask you to grant the required permissions. Review those permissions carefully and then click Allow and install to approve the connection between the two accounts. Once that is done, you'll be redirected back to Pipedrive automatically. If the setup asks for one more confirmation, click Connect Mailchimp to complete the process. This final step tells Pipedrive to finish linking the integration and activate the connection. Next, you'll need to log in to your Mailchimp account if you're not signed in already. Enter your Mailchimp credentials, then continue through the prompts until Mailchimp asks for permission. Click Allow to authorize the connection. This gives Mailchimp the approval it needs to work with Pipedrive and complete the integration. After that, the connection should be active and your Mailchimp and Pipedrive accounts will be linked. From here, you can start using the integration to support your contact syncing and marketing workflow. If you want more tutorials like this, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss the next step-by-step guide. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.